Hi there, welcome to the Civil Engineer. So in this video, we are going to see about project management and estimate. So this is the subject that we are going to see. In this subject, we are going to see one of the important topics called construction management. So construction management, whether you are preparing for any of the competitive examinations or else whether you are going to any of the private organizations, at the end of the day, you are going to end up with managing the project. So at, at the higher most level, so construction management is one of the very essential in any of your career. So in this construction management, there are so many things that are involved that we are going to see. So construction management. So what is a construction management that we need to know? So the total management of the construction project, that is the resources, humans, and machineries, etc., with utmost cost effectiveness and without compromising the quality of the project. So that is what this construction management is all about. So you need to manage the construction project with cost effectiveness and quality by utilizing the resources that you have. Okay, so that is what construction management is all about. Okay, so it has so many functions it has. So what are the functions of construction management? So you are going to manage the construction project. So what are the things that you need to do? So first thing is about planning. So first you need to plan, whether in life or else in any of the construction project, you need to plan what you are going to do. So first you need to plan what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do. So this is how I'm to do. So you need to plan all these stuff. So that is what called planning. So you need to devise a method on how you can achieve the objective. So that is what planning is all about. The next thing is organizing. So if you planned everything, but you need to organize the resources that you need to uh, execute the project. For example, if you are going to run a construction business, for that you need to have people, right, to manage the business. So you need to arrange the people, you need to arrange the materials that needed for the construction project. You need to arrange the laborers to execute the projects. Okay, so that is the engineering staff also needed, laborers, the daily wage laborers also needed. So you need to organize all those resources. So that is what is about organizing the things. And then directing, you need to direct what people, who is going to do what and how they are going to do. So you need to direct all these steps, and then you need to control. So once you done all these three steps, you need to control to achieve the desired results. So if you are not controlling it, you may tell it as overseeing. So we can also tell that instead of controlling, we can tell it as overseeing. Okay, so we can oversee the projects so that we can achieve the desired quality without any wastages or something like that. So if you are posted in some of the projects by the government, you need to make sure that whether the contractor is achieving the desired quality without wastages, because if we waste all these, it will be borne by somehow, it will be borne by the government. So you need to make sure that it is not uh, it is going on in a very controlled manner. So controlling is the next part, and then you need to coordinate. So proper information need to be given to the right person at the right time. So that is what is called coordination. Even if you do all these four stuff in the right manner, if you are not very good at coordinating, so everything is going to be a miserable things. So you need to do the coordination also. So if you this all these five functions, all these five things, which is called the functions of the construction management. Okay. So next things, what are the steps involved in construction planning? So in construction planning, so we have seen the construction management. So here comes the construction planning, the next part. That is what the management, and here this is called construction planning. So in planning, what we have said is that there are so many functions. The first function is planning. So in planning, what we need to do is that we need to first concept. Let's say the government is decided to construct a bridge in some part of that area. So you need to concept how the bridge is going to be, and then you need to study the particular area. So whether what kind of bridges we can do, what kind of soil is that, and how is the span, and what is the span. We need to do the study and evaluation, and then we need to design and estimate how much the cost it would be, and then we need to go for specification, whether it is going to be a steel structure or else it is going to be a concrete structure or something like that. We need to go on that, and then we need to make sure that we need to put on the tender, and we need to get the required contractor. And then if it is only labors, we need to procure the material for the contractor, and we need to issue it, and we need to construct it, and we need to supervise the things, and we need to utilize and maintain the things that were involved. So this is what the steps involved in construction planning. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. This is the first in construction management, that is planning. So in future videos, we will see the other things. Okay, thanks for watching. Until then, it's signing off, the Civil Engineer.